Welcome to another BlackTradeLines tutorial session. In this tutorial, we will be giving you an overview on how to add your business on the BlackTradeLines network directory. Note, remember, you can add as many businesses as you own. To get started, let us go to www.blacktradelines.com. On the home page, click on the Sign In button on the top right-hand side of the page. Enter your username and password and sign in. After you successfully sign in, you will be redirected to the default control panel page, which is your account summary page. On the top menu bar in your control panel, click on My Businesses. Under My Businesses, click on the button Add New Business. When the form loads, enter your business information, your hours of operation, if any, and don't forget to add your social media information. Some can advertise you on social media. You would enter that here. When you are all done, click on the Add Business button to submit your business to our network. Fill out this whole form here, and then click Add Business. Note, after submitting your business, be sure to go back and update the custom URL to your business. This brings us to the end of your tutorial. Thank you for following.